how to make others can share your posts on their stories on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make others can share your posts on their stories on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and then click this one here, profile and tagging, and now just click allow others to share your post on to their stories, and click on, and now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.